I'm very happy today because this is going to be the beginning of a new, what should I say, era for me as an MLA, ensuring the development of the common man in the state of Goa. And I am very sure that the common man knows what is good for itself. In fact, that is the response I'm getting in every house. I don't have to tell them that, Aam Aadmi will be doing this. They know better than me what is happening in Delhi, the good things that are happening for the common man, and they want a replication of what is happening in Delhi in Goa.
This time, madam, there are meeting door to door. What is the response?
Response, as I said, very positive. Of course, finally, I believe in God, and I definitely believe that God will do the right thing for Goa. I think this is our last chance to ensure that good things happen to Goa.